What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services. And today I'm coming to you. I wasn't going to do a video, but then I thought, you know what? Even though I finished the job, let me do a quick video just in case somebody runs into this same problem. Okay, so I finished installing this pack. It's a heat pump pack, Trane. So after installing it, what I found was this is the new refrigerant. So I found that the unit came on for about 20-30 seconds and shut back off. And I was like, what is going on? And it kept doing that, and it wasn't tripping on that new leak code. There was no code. It was the board was flashing normal operations. So I was like, what is going on? So I kept troubleshooting and so frustrated. Then finally I said, you know what? I noticed that when I turned the unit on, I noticed that sometimes I didn't hear that fan coming on. I'm like, wait a minute. So I jumped out the fan at the unit. The fan came on. So I'm like, huh. So then I went to the thermostat and I jumped out the fan at the thermostat. Nothing. The fan did not come on. I was like, okay, I think there's a problem with my thermostat wire. And sure enough, because I could jump the unit out right there at the board, and it would come on, but not when I did it at the thermostat. So no call. I checked. Matter of fact, I checked to see, put the thermostat to call for fan only, and I didn't get any voltage there. I didn't have a call when I checked it on my meter at the unit. So turns out it was bad thermostat wire. I had to crawl and run new thermostat wire. Now it's running and working like a charm. So I figured I would just take a moment out just to shoot this quick video. I should have did a step-by-step, but me telling you this alone will kind of get you on the same path if you have that problem. And always, if you have questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll get back with you. I want to thank you for taking the time to take out this quick video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.